So here we want to find the integral of 1 divided by x times the square root of 25x squared minus 1. And again, this is up this integral, the integrand here is up the form that involves inverse trigonometric functions. So we use one of these formulas. And so the integral that we want to find looks similar to this formula right here. So we'll use this formula. So we'll use the formula one divided by u square root of u squared minus a squared du. And for this formula, this comes out to be 1 over a arcsecant of the absolute value of a of u divided by a. And so to use this formula, we'll let u squared be 25x squared and a squared be 1. And then take the square root of both sides, get a to be 1. And then we let u squared be 25x squared. Take the square root of u squared and the square root of 25x squared, we get u to be 5x. And then the derivative of u with respect to x is 5. So we have du is equal to 5 dx. Since we don't have 5 dx in here, we need to get rid of this 5. And so we can multiply the left by 1/5 and multiply the right by 1/5. And we'll end up with 1/5 du is equal to dx. And then also right here, because we need to rewrite this x in terms of u. So if we solve for x, then we get x. If we're dividing right here, if we're dividing by 5, then we get x equal to 1/5 u. Now we're ready to make the substitution. So this becomes 1 divided by, now x is 1/5 du. So we have 1/5, x is 1/5 u. And then 25x squared is u squared. And then 1 is a squared. dx is 1/5 du. Let's go ahead and write this like this. This 1/5 and this 1/5, they were canceled out. And so what's left is 1 divided by u square root of u squared minus a squared du. And now we have something that looks exactly like what we have in the formula right here. So this would be 1 over a arcsecant of absolute value of u divided by a plus c. So this would be 1 over a arcsecant. Now u is 5x, so we have arcsecant of the absolute value of 5x divided by a. 8 is 1. But 8 is 1, so we'll put a 1 right here. So this was simplified to just arcsecant of 5x, the absolute value of 5x. So the integral for 1 divided by x times the square root of 25x1 minus 1 is arcsecant of absolute value of 5x plus c.